Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about Google Cloud Conference 1000. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search Google Cloud Conference 1000. When you search Google Cloud Conference 1000, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website. How make the most out of Google Cloud Next 2022. When you click this website, the page will be opened of how to make a most out of Google Cloud Next 2022. Continuing the interview and global learning conference, Google Cloud Next 2022 marks the return of the Google Cloud flagship events and a signature sponsor of a Google recommended and data criticized security solution, which you here are the given of you random and the events what you have can expected and the way of you can get to most out of your free registration. What and where Google Cloud Next 2022. The purpose of the Google Cloud Next is to gather and over 1 million business innovators and share valuable insights of the solution for tomorrow, upskill and whatever you have to data engineer, app developer, all HR professional you have granted to get something and out of Google Cloud Next. You can expect of the from of big player tech and business of the keynote speeches cannot connected with the developer, other peers and the industry charts to refine your skills by choosing one of curriculum of life demanded courses and industry determines. Where is GCN in short of the everywhere Google Cloud Next 2022 the digital event. So regardless where you have live and still can participate it, the event of the broadcast out of the 5 locations global away and so matter where you live and you can still attend it the live events you want to within 24 hours period. Who should go to the GC and 22? Well, everyone can benefit and learn something now form of attending Google Cloud Next, especially since of the completely for you and you can access to of the everyone with the computer internet connection, a Google account. However, the courses are specifically designed to the require interest and each of the knowledge to app development, data science and engineering, system architecture, law or no code development, cyber security, AI, analytic and data leadership, collaboration, DE&I, and the courses of Google Cloud. Anyone who is work deploy and the Google Cloud platform or desire to know how to more about these topics. And the Google Cloud Next is the really nothing to lose. Keynote speaker Google Hide professional and profile of the speaker will host it interactive sessions and the websites. Computing major speakers include the ladder of engineers and cloud itself. Thomson Kirion and Google also feature top of the innovation partner and customers who are the forefront of the tech and the security solutions in the cloud.